Hi there. Tonight I'm going to make a little treat called garlic knot sliders. And I'm going to use some garlic knots that have been perfectly made at one of my favorite pizzerias. Right, here's our main ingredients. I bought these garlic knots from Marinelli's. I love the way they make garlic knots. They're nice size. They're covered with garlic olive oil. They're just beautiful. So I thought I would start my recipe with some nice big garlic knots like this. Marinelli's in Easton. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to start by putting a little olive oil in a baking pan. I'm going to slice each of these in half and put the bottom half in the olive oil. Then I'm going to layer a piece of lean roast beef from the deli and a slice of cheese. After that, I'm going to put the top on, put a little bit of extra garlic and a little drizzle of olive oil on top, and I'm going to bake them in the toaster oven until everything is nice and warm and cheesy. After that, I'm going to take them out and add a little bit of this horseradish cream style sauce to top it off underneath the lid. This is my idea of garlic knot sliders. Let's go. A little bit of olive oil in the bottom of the pan so that when they're baking they get nice and crunchy on the bottom. Then I'm going to take each slider, cut it in half, and set the bottom half, which already has garlic and olive oil on it, right in that oil. The next step is to take a slice of roast beef. I'm going to tear half of it, lay it on the bottom, and take a half a slice of cheese, get that in there, a little more roast beef, a little more cheese, a little more roast beef, and top it with the lid. Now that's what it looks like. Is that too much? Well, let's put it in the pan and make a couple more. There we go. I think I'm going to fit 5 into this batch. They're getting nice and toasty. Alright, now let's take a little bit of olive oil, just a drizzle over top. And I'm going to take a little of my Spice World minced garlic, already minced up to a nice consistency here. Just a little bit on top. Just a little bit more on top. Just a drip. Because there's plenty of garlic already on here, but I want the toastiness when they're done. Just like that. We're going to put these in the toaster oven at 350 degrees. And when the cheese is starting to melt and everything is starting to look nice and toasty, we'll get them out. Alright, here they come out of the oven. Stand the smell of any more garlic deliciousness. They're sizzling. They're melty. Let's scoop one out here. Oh, the lid is sliding off. Let's take a little bit of this horseradish cream sauce and we'll put it in here on this cheesy part. Oh. Put the lid back on. It's crusty. cheesy, a little bit of horseradish, lots of garlic, hot roast beef. Doesn't that look delicious? Of course I have to taste it before you leave. Do you love garlic? Try this. So easy, so delicious. Even though you use some prepared ingredients, it tastes like you made it all yourself. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video. Garlic knots as sliders.